Well, hello new subscribers, and if this is the first video you've seen by me, if you see, you know how it goes. If you see me do the peace sign, this doesn't count. If you see me do the peace sign throughout the entire video, and it has to be me, then you could get a shout out if you comment down below what time it was at. So yeah, I don't know what to do today, guys, but hopefully I can play with my friend over there. And she has a trampoline, and I can bring this over there, so maybe. Gosh. Bye, guys. I'm just choking. Bye, guys.